All right, so we're going to look at a slightly different flavor of an exponential equation. It's not too different. All right, I've got 4 to the 2x minus 8 is equal to 10. So before you get crazy and start taking the log of both sides or log base 4 of both sides, I would recommend to get the part with the exponent, get it by itself, all right? Because we don't really know what log of a minus b is. We don't have a rule for that. You know, if it was log of a times b or the log of a divided by b, yeah, we have rules for that. We have properties to follow there. But before we take the log here, we need to move this 8 to the other side. Okay. So, here I go. I say that, but I'm just going to take the log right off. All right. We're going to have 4 to the 2x is equal to 18. Just add 8 to both sides. All right. And now let's go ahead and take the log. We'll go ahead and do log base 4 of 4 to the 2x is equal to log base 4 of 18. This is going to be the simplest way, I think. That's just going to leave me with 2x because the base 4 and base 4 cancel. Log base 4 of 18. All right, and then all we have to do here is divide by 2, and we'll have x by itself. So divided by 2. Bam. So x is equal to this. So we need to do log base 4 of 18, but then divide that answer by 2. So it's going to be log 18 divided by log 4 to figure out the numerator, and then that answer divided by 2. There we go. 1.04248125. All right, I'm going to do the whole equation again. 4 to the 2x equals 18. But this time I'm just going to do the common log. I want you to see how it plays out. So take the log of both sides, and you're going to get 2x log 4 equals log 18. Hopefully you're okay with that. Just whenever you take the log, you get to bring this exponent down. Now to solve for x, we need to cancel out the 2 and the log 4. Okay, so since they're both connected by multiplication, I'm just going to divide by 2 log 4. 2 log 4. There we go. So whatever this comes out to, this is equal to our x. And it should come out to be the same thing, right? All right, we got log 18 divided by, actually, let me do alpha y equals, because I don't want to have to do a whole bunch of set of parentheses there. 2 log 4. There we go. Same answer, 1.04. All right. And the last one, this one's a little nice. It's a little special just because of the base here. Notice how my bases are the same. So the first thing I can do, because they're being multiplied, is I can add these exponents up. This is going to be 3 to the 3x plus 5. Now, if it were me and I were solving this, I would not, well, it is me, but I would not use a logarithm. I wouldn't use log base 3 or log base 10 to solve it. The thing to notice is that the right-hand side is also a power of 3. So I could rewrite this as 3x plus 5 is equal to 3 to the third. And since these bases are identical on both of them, that just means that these exponents must be equal to each other. So I could solve this equation, 3x plus 5 equals 3, and that would give me my answer. All right, subtract 5, and then divide by 3. So negative 2/3 should be the answer that we get when we go through the steps of solving this. All right, let's go ahead and do it with log base 3. log base 3, we're going to get 3x plus 5, and log base 3 of 27. There we go. Well, heck, man, at this point, well, we could subtract 5 from both sides. Let's go ahead and we'll work it out. We'll pretend like we don't know that this is already 3. We know log base 3 of 27 is 3. But if it didn't come out to a nice number, this is what we would do. We would subtract 5, log base 3 of 27, subtract 5, and then we would take this and divide it all by 3. There we go. And so whatever this comes out to would be our answer. Okay, I would, oh gosh, yeah, I'd have to do log base 3 of 27. Well, I tell you what, I'll do log 27 divided by log 3. Okay, this is just that part, and then minus 5. All of that divided by 2. Oh, all of that, what was it, negative 2? I divided by the wrong number. All of that divided by 3. And you got negative 2/3, which is what we have here. Okay. Where are we at in time? Yeah. Let me go ahead and I'll do it once more, but I'll just use the common log. Okay. Take the log of both sides, and that's going to give us 3x plus 5 all times the log of 3, log 27. Okay. I would divide by the log of 3 because it's connected to this by multiplication. So I would get 3x plus 5 is equal to log 27 divided by log 3. All right, and then my last two steps, I would subtract 5 and then divide by 3. So 3x is equal to that big old mess. Boy, I hate writing this down so many times, especially when you can't see it. Minus 5, and then all of this answer divided by 3. Wow, that is an ugly looking answer. But eventually it'll be like the only way we can do stuff.